country people, this is BBC Pidgin. Now with the reach on live from the Federal High Court, Abuja, where Justice Obiora Egwatu don't grant bail to the 12 aides of Yoruba Nation activists will be Sunday Igboho. Earlier today, the DSS because they no go oppose the ruling of the 8 where the criminal cases against them they minimal. So those 8 people, Justice Egwatu rule say make the DSS grant them bail with 5 million naira each, while the other people where then get a criminal allegation, the court rule say those people then go grant them bail with 10 million naira each and some other conditions. Then go get they go bring Shorty where be civil servants, we get property for Abuja and other plenty things where we go list them out to on one by one. Justice Obiora Egwatu also rules say these applicants where don't get bail now, then go they visit, then go they show themselves every Monday, every week for 3 months. So the koko where they be say Justice Obiora Egwatu of the Federal High Court Abuja don't rule say make the 12 aides to Yoruba Nation activists Sunday Igboho make them grant them bail. So for the 2 different people, the 2 different set of people, the first 8 will not to get involvement for the criminal allegation where they put for their heads. Then go bail them with 5 million naira each. Then the other 4 where the DSS pray the courts to keep for their custody for extra 14 days, as we tell Anna before, make the forfeit conclude their investigation. Justice Obiora Egwatu rule say make them still give those people bail for 10 million naira each. Then go submit their documents. Then go bring Shorty, will be civil servants. The Shorty too go get property for Abuja, and then go they report once every week, that is every Monday, for the next 3 months. Make them they monitor them. So now the matter we will carry come to us. So now remember say don't take where this court hearing starts. It starts on July 23, 2021. And the lawyers they don't go so. They don't go so. The ruling don't finish. So they wait for the lawyer to the 12 aides to come out, come tell us INC the ruling. But as we talked before, now July 23, 2021, now this process starts. They can adjourn them to 29th before they can adjourn them again to August 4. So Justice Obiora Egwatu thank the DSS as them bring the people come court in person. Now he come make we say the hearing come proceed to this point where we dey. So country people make a block them for front for this side. When they come so.
Different terms and conditions. How do you react to that?
Well, it's not a problem. Justice is the same thing. Justice is equal. What's fundamental for us is that these people should be given justice. We are actually here because of their liberty, and the court has granted them their liberty. So it does not matter what are the terms of the bill. What's important is that they have been granted. And we're very, very glad about it. You see, when you talk about justice, it's like a glass cup. When you put water in it, it's a glass cup of water. When you put wine in it, it's a glass cup of wine. When you put tea in it, it's a glass cup of tea. When you put Sunday Igboho in that same glass cup, it's a glass cup of Sunday Igboho. What is essential is that there must be justice for every citizen of Nigeria. And we are glad today that the court has confirmed this. even listen to the work and the industry put into the ruling of the court, you understand that there's a need for most of our security agencies to quickly begin to learn the business of the rule of law. So we are very happy about the job.
So are you saying there's no application for variation?
No, we don't need to vary the ground of bail because the grounds are quite good and fantastic. What we are supposed to do is to quickly meet up with the required ground so that we can quickly move on and these people can have their liberty quickly.
Where is this man?
Country people, na the lawyer to the applicant with that. And I don't hear Atin talk the matter, say the conditions where they give them, they favorable to them. So their own now, to go finalize all the conditions where Justice Obiora to give them to make sure say they release these people on bail. So now the lawyer be this. And I don't hear Asin talk am. Say the ruling where Justice Obiora to give, say they okay for them. Their own now to go complete the process to make sure say they release these people based on the conditions where they give them for court. Country people, finally, the 12 Yoruba Nation activists, 8 where DSS arrest since July 1, then go finally get their freedom. Ogasho Wero dey here too, welcome to support. Make we hear wetin we talk. Okay.
I've been through this before, and my own worry is that the DSS cannot be trusted to obey lawful orders of courts. They did it in my own case, and they've done it even with regards to these young people. The Dunamis fire who just came out last night. They were granted bail by Federal High Court here. Not granted bail, they were ordered released. The DSS ignored the order of that court. It took them to a magistrate court. And kept them for another week or so. They just came out last night. So it's possible that they might hold the same line. So we have to be very, very vigilant to ensure that even after they have made their bail conditions, that the DSS don't sit on their case or their file and continue to violate their fundamental rights.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. But we are happy that this.
I don't hear him na Omoyele Sowore. Now in talk now so in the since say he come to support the 12 Yoruba Nation activists on the go 8 for court in the since morning when this case starts. And as on Yasin talk, into say their eyes now go there on these applicants and the DSS so that the DSS no go delay the bail process when they don't meet all the conditions where Justice Obiora give them. As I talked before, they separated the applicants into 2. All of them are 12 in number. They separate them into 2. First 8 and the remaining 4. DSS be talked this morning when they do the argument inside court. Say they no go oppose the release of 8 of them, but to get the remaining 4 where the case where they against them need investigation and they need extra 2 weeks to investigate the matter. Now so DSS argued the case for court, but Justice Obiora say no, he no go fit keep those people for extra 2 weeks with ordinary oral application. Say if he want apply for that one, make him go through the proper way, no be to just come talk for court. So as they divide the applicants into 2 sets, Justice Obiora grant bail to the first set, 8 of them for 5 million naira each, while the other 4 where DSS because say they want to make them still stay for extra 2 weeks and grant them bail 10 million naira each. Then go bring shorty where the civil servant, the person will get their property for Abuja and they will make sure say they report every Monday. Report to them every Monday for the next 3 months. Then go submit all their documents and they go still they monitor them. na so the matter be. Na so we carry the matter come tell on as it happen from the Federal High Court, Abuja. Country people, now here we go end this live video for now.